Hello everyone, today we are making beef chow mein. This dish isn't just tasty, it's also balanced with lean protein, crisp vegetables, and just the right amount of noodles to keep it light yet satisfying. Let's get started. I'm using 300 grams of lo mein noodles. They are a bit thicker and chewier than regular ones, which makes them perfect for stir fry. And if they are too long, you also can put them apart in the middle before cooking. That way they are easier to stir fry evenly in the wok. Now let's cook the noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, then add the noodles. Give them a gentle stir right away and keep stirring occasionally. This helps prevent sticking. And then boil them for about 30 minutes or just follow the instructions on the package. The key is not to overcook them. Once they are ready, drain them in a colander, then toss with 1 tablespoon of oil to keep them from sticking side aside. And next, for the beef, I'm using 200 grams of beef flank, but any cut will work. It's easier to slice when it's partially frozen. And to have larger slices, you can make a gentle diagonal cuts. This helps with a quick cooking and better texture. After that, we marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, some black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon sugar and some baking soda, plus 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And then add 1 tablespoon of water. Give it a quick massage for about 30 seconds so the beef absorbs the flavors better. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil, mix well and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move on to the aromatics and veggies. Slice half an onion into strips and separate the layers. Then cut 3 green onions into short pieces. Keep the white and green parts separate. Then we mince 2 cloves of garlic. And then next, cut 60 grams or about 2 ounces of carrot into thin strips. And then finally, for the cabbage, slice about 200 grams of cabbage into strips about 1 centimeter wide, similar to the onion. With everything chopped and ready, let's mix up our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and half a teaspoon sugar. Stir well till everything is mixed evenly. Alright, time to cook the beef. Add some oil in the pan over medium to high heat. Once it's hot, add in the marinated beef in a single layer. Let it sear for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then stir and cook till it's almost done. Then at this point, drizzle in about a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Let it sizzle for a few seconds. Then add the minced garlic and cook till fragrant. Then we remove the beef from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add a little bit more oil. Then add the sliced onion and the white parts of the green onion. Saute for about 30 seconds till they start to soften. Now add the carrot and the cabbage together. Season with half a teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt. Stir fry everything for about a minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of the sauce we mixed earlier and stir for another 30 seconds. Once the veggies are crisp tender, set aside. Finally, time to bring everything together. Add some oil to a larger wok. And then add the noodles and stir fry for about 1 minute. And then pour in the rest of the sauce and give everything a good mix. Then we add the cooked vegetables and the beef back in. Stir everything together till evenly coated. And now is a good time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add a quarter of teaspoon salt if needed. And then toss in the green onion tops and finish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir to combine and we're done. And that's it, a delicious and balanced beef chow mein. Juicy beef, fresh veggies, and chewy noodles, all stir-fried in one pan, perfect for a satisfying lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.